Welcome to school too.
I will just call them now. They'll come and floor it for you. Fix the doors.
Oga. Oga, where is my toilet and kitchen and bedroom?
Oh, everything is here. Everything is ready. All you just need, the bedroom is ready. You follow me now. Let me show you the toilet.
If she catch me now, I will go.
Let me show you. It's here. Your neighbor, you will be sharing it.
Okay, so let's go.
Ninkacha like bono ndineri ego. Abalolo nigacha Malaysia bulego nata Naija manililo yeli. Idoba nukwego na banki agolo na agụ afọ. Onye ka aga kosala no na agolo bolo dogu.
That's why I was asking you. Are you here? Are you mobile? You say no. Are you here with a motor? You say no. Do you have money for bike? You say no.
Lolo nigacha Malaysia bulego nata Naija manililo yeli. Idoba nukwego na banki agolo na agụ afọ.
What? Funka?
Egi sewu. Achoga follow.
Agent.
I did you. You are enjoying fresh fish now.
Yes, agent.
Honorable, this is your neighbor. You know, I told you about the bedroom.
Yes.
It's ready now.
The bedroom is ready.
It is ready. You know
so
what?
I now have bathroom
If I
to use.
say it, I will do it. You trust me. So you'll be coming here to use toilet. Your neighbor will come into your house to use bedroom.
Why now? I paid you registration form. I paid you.
Of course. And you are not the only one that paid. It's not 35,000 naira you are looking for.
I paid too now. I paid too. Come on, that's how we stay here.
Shh. Hello? So, this is your neighbor.
Hello.
This is on my way.
I hear meeting. Where are you going now? If you want to use toilet now, tell me, let me show you. If you don't want to use toilet. How much did you pay for your house?
I paid total package, 35, everything.
Even agent and agreement. And you want to have toilet and bathroom in one house?
For 2 years. I saved the money. 2
2
years. Hey.
School too.